Make a great choice today with the 2019 Pathfinder. The Pathfinder has a premium interior with 3 rows of seating for up to 7 passengers, as well as versatile seating and cargo configurations. This SUV appeals to both truck lovers and car lovers and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, running boards, air conditioning, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, alloy wheels, 4-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, power windows. Come take a test drive today.